is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jennifer Okunu. In case you are here for the first time, thanks for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Today is Thursday. I just got back from my morning walks. Like, I'm sweating. See, my legs has got back. Yeah, but I just decided to start my morning workout today since the kids are on holiday. It has been a struggle since the kids are in school section, like waking up in the morning, preparing for them to go to school, dropping them in school and coming back. You cannot do workout by that time. So I decided then that we go in the evening, but it was not possible with the kids and everything. But I decided since they're on holiday, let me just resume working out in the morning. That's what I plan on doing. God help me. Today waking up was a struggle. I woke up around after 6 to feed Elena and I wanted to go back to bed, but I was like, no, I'm determined to start this workout. So I'm doing that. I noticed I've been watching what I eat, doing portion control and everything, but I can see difference in my body, but it's not very significant. Like, I noticed working out and portion control is the main key for me. So I've decided to start working out. May God help me. So I just want to have my bath, look for something to eat and start my day. I don't know what I'll be doing today. These kids are at home. I'm thinking of finding ways to engage them so they will not disturb me and they'll be happy. So I'll talk to you guys later.
I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, we never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's already emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, we never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
The next day.
Hello guys, good afternoon. It's currently 1:04. We were stepping out. We have facials to do. I booked for facials for me and my sister. So our appointment is for 1. We're about heading there now. I don't know where. I hear having boy here, and here when I want to go and do my facials. I've been having black heads on my nose and around my chin, so I just want to go and do facials and see if that works for me. I'll be taking you guys along as usual. Let's go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. Searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even the sky is falling down. From cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I never figure out where the road goes. Keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
Hello, my sweetheart. Hello. How is your nap? How is your meal nap? Hello. Hello. Mama. 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 Yes, ma'am. Do you want to say something? Yes. So hi guys, how you guys doing? It's been 1 week since I did my facials. I wanted to update you guys on the progress. As you guys can see, my skin is better. This black line is as a result of fixing what is it called, frontal wig, but it's going gradually. So this is my skin. I can see that I had boil before it had. As obvious. I complained I had dark pores here, which is better than before. The lady just advised I do facials regularly, like every month, which I'll do. At first my skin was still dark, but currently I can see improvement on my skin. The hyper pigmentation is better, like the tone is getting better. So I think I'll do another facials next month to just get that glow I need. And I got this solid facial cleanser. This is what it looks like. I got this at least to be doing facials at home for my skin when I want to just do minimum facials and not go to the spa for facials. So I got this. This is what it looks like. I just want to open it now. And you can see it's just my favorite color. It's just to add your face, and you just use it to massage your face, to open your pores and clean your face. So this is it. It's just this facial. It's manual. You just press here and it cleans your skin. I love it. I love things. So I'll be trying this and I'll give you guys my feedback on it. Yeah, I think that's it. And I ordered perfume from by Emma. She's a YouTuber here. She's a Nigerian, but she's based in Dubai. So she has a fragrance line where she makes perfume. I think she started last 2 years. The first one I ordered was this seduction. This was like one of her first perfume she opened. So I just said since I was ordering, and she opened a new one. She just brought out a new one, which is Brothers, which is this one. So I just ordered two since I was ordering. At least let me try it. I've opened this one already. This seduction. So I've opened it, I've tried it. I love this one, like I love the scent and everything. I love how cute the bottle looks like. Can you guys see this cute bottle? I love the bottle. I fell in love with the bottle on her IG page. I love the bottle. I love the color. It smells so nice. I had my bad thoughts. Let's just try. It smells so nice. There was this day I used it and everybody was saying, which perfume are you using? I knew it was this one. It smells so good. It has this sweet undertone, which is good. I'll try it and see if it lasts. But I think it lasts. But I'll just put it in my clothes and see if it lasts. And I got the new one she opened, which is Goddess. Let's unbox this one. So this is the bottle. It's Goddess. I love the bottle. I love how cute it is. I don't have this kind of bottle. It's so cute. I love how cute it is. Let me try it and see. Let me try this. Let Emma bring her for me. It has this. This is soft. It has this oud smell, but not oud. It's just strong. It's stronger than seduction. I can say seduction is a bit sweet. This has like vanilla. I can perceive like vanilla in it. I'll try it and give you guys my feedback. But I love how cute it is. I love the bottle. When I get home, I'll just add this to my perfume collection. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.